So, you want to learn how to understand the tuning process of your Honda-Acura vehicle. But it all seems so confusing. All these numbers, all these graphs, all these tables with numbers, all these parameters. Like all this info is just too much? Guess what? We can help you out with understanding all this information. By the way, por si acaso, tú también se va a estar ofreciendo en español. Disclaimer, first and foremost, all of this should be for only off-road use only. Any testing should be conducted in a dyno or in a racetrack. Hi, for those who don't know me, my name is Elliot, formerly known as Elliot Tuning, now operating under KM Tuning. KM standing for Commandos Motorsports, our primary performance part source company. I am a self-taught tuner, performance part source. Associated to these guys, K-Build Performance, Coffee Aficionado, and also enjoy taping different stuff related to cars and also events. Still learning, by the way. From the days where there was little to no information on ECU tuning available, not on the internet, or not even you can go up to a person and ask them. They were probably in the same situation as us. They were learning. There wasn't so much information, so we had to go on what we could. Back before the COVID pandemic hit, we were already developing our course and looking for ways to show people how to tune. Though there are other great courses online, traditional classroom type, or videos explaining how to do this, right? Everyone specializes in their own niche. Decided to go look into the one-on-one, hands-on, instructor to student, up close and personal methods. Applying the theory behind the tuning process, that way the student is learning with his or her own vehicle, with their specific software, with their specific mods. For a year and a half now, we've been offering these one-on-one courses to the public locally here in Puerto Rico. We have also worked with companies that also offer courses in the development of their classes or specific curriculums. By the way, we do encourage that you know at least the basics of how an engine works, electromechanical basics and mechanical basics as well. That way it would be much better understanding of how to do this work. You don't have to be a professional mechanic, but it would be preferred if you know how things work. First and foremost, we don't offer a service until we tested it properly. The first type of service, we tested it and then we offered it to the public, and the same thing we're doing with this here. Since the first day we announced we're going to give these tuning courses locally, right, one-on-one, we've been receiving messages of people asking when are we going to offer it online, when are we going to offer the video type, or when are we going to have a classroom full of people. So, and we got inquiries from different parts of the States, different parts in America and Europe. But our major concern was, how is a video type, or recorded or pre-recorded video type, work for our students, even though the local ones would be tailored to their specific setup and their specific concern and any specific thing that could probably happen in the process of learning. Let's say their vehicle has a check engine light, their vehicle has a limitation in something, or etc., etc. So that was our major concern. So that way we started thinking, well, a video and we show it and we set it on the web page or webinar or whatever, and that's it. But it doesn't tailor specifically, just like the ones we give hands-on locally. We started to develop and work around the tutoring, online tutoring / coaching method. That way would be really similar to our live one-on-one ones, with the difference, instead of having us next to the student right there, we would be connected online to different web tools. What will you learn through our course? The concepts and theory behind the tuning of your vehicle with your specific ECU, specific software. Understanding that software and all the options it has to fine-tune your vehicle, protection options, safety options, how to read and analyze data logs, so that way you can make a critical decision on any change you want to do. But data logging is just part of the process. So even my now 14-year-old has learned how to process this information. Here's a short video while getting our personal beater and daily use RSX on the dyno. While I was doing the pass, he was looking out for different parameters to see if everything was working properly. Not only does these data logs tell you information you need probably to improve your performance, it could also help you diagnose a lot of problems in the vehicle. How to work on a variety of parameters and tables to get your engine to work on an optimal and safe performance. Track support related topics, you go to the track, you want to do changes, there's something that you notice wrong, you could still have this information regardless if you want to tune your car by yourself, or you just want to have that information so when your tuner hits you up and says what's the issue, well, I think it's this. If this is something you're interested in, please shoot us an email, comandolo@gmail.com, or through our social media DMs or inbox. Follow any tuning related topics now in Commando's Motorsports KM Tuning. Our Elliott Tuning Facebook page will be merged after the 15th of August 2023. In Instagram, Elliott Tuning and Commando's Motorsports are separate. Follow us in TikTok, Commando's Motorsports. Follow our YouTube channel. We look forward to work with you and help you understand all these topics. For now, we'll be showing only for Honda applications, KTuner applications, and chip application as well if you're still working on that. We'll be offering different softwares in the future. For now, those are the ones we're going to be working with. All this is designed to be done in 3 sessions. We offer a 1-year support with the specific vehicle and software. Regardless if you just want to understand the tuning process for your personal use, or if you want to develop it into a career in the future, we are here to help you. Thank you. KM Tuning Course, KM Tuning, and Commando's Motorsports. We're out.